We like to take Italian classics and put our modern touch on them. And I think it speaks to what we're doing with the ingredients and the farmers. And when people get into cooking, culinary school, it's kind of the dream. We might not be picking our own ingredients every morning, but it's the next best thing. We know all the farmers by name. It doesn't feel stagnant because things are always changing with the seasons. Chicken dish we're going to prepare today is a chicken saltimbocca, once again based on a classic. A saltimbocca meaning jump in the mouth. We're taking local chicken breast, seasoning it, and then wrapping it in prosciutto with sage inside. So when you get that bite of sage and the saltiness of the prosciutto, it's just a pop of flavor or a jump of flavor. And we're gonna pair it with corn from Chilliwack, first of the season BC chanterelles, and spring onions from Pemberton. We're very excited to celebrate BC Chicken Month. Come by and try one of our great features.